Psalm 65:11. You crown the year with your bounty, and your carts overflow with abundance.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you don't know me, my name is Kadi, and today I'll be doing an updated soft glam makeup look for you guys. So first of all, I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer. I'm using the Beauty Bay moisturizer. This was a PR from Beauty Bay. I always make sure my skin is very hydrated before I go ahead and put any product on my skin. This just helps your makeup to last longer. And then I just go in with my collection hydrating primer. I just go ahead and place this all over my face. And then I'll be using the brow soap from Beauty Bay to first of all go ahead and brush up my brows, making sure that all my hair is laid. And then I go in with some setting powder before I start drawing out my brows. I'm just using a normal dark brown pencil from the beauty supplier or beauty hair shop, and then I'm going ahead to clean this off with a concealer. And the concealer that I am using is from Too Faced. This is the maple concealer. I did use a foundation for the top part because you don't want it to be too bright at the top. So I go into blending that concealer, and then I'll be using the same concealer on my eyelid so I can go ahead and do my eyeshadow. For this look, because it's a natural look, I would be using just a bronzer for my eyes because I don't want anything too crazy, as this is just an everyday look. It's a soft glam makeup look. I do go ahead and use some setting powder just to set that concealer, and then I'll be using the LYS powder bronzer as my eyeshadow because it gives you that natural look. And I'll be using lashes from TikTok. These lashes are from TikTok. I would put everything down below, and I did go ahead and use the Beauty Bay high key mascara first of all before placing my lashes. And then I'm just going in with my H&B cosmetic foundation. I just go ahead and apply this, and I just blend this out with a brush. You can also use a beauty blender, it's up to you. And now I'm using my concealer to highlight my face, and this is the e.l.f. concealer. I feel like this is the first time I'm actually using this shade from e.l.f. Cosmetics as my concealer. I really love this shade, guys. This is in the shade Chestnut. I really love it. So I go ahead and use a brush just to blend this out first, just so that I can get the coverage that I'm looking for, and also to give me that bright on the eyes. So I just go ahead and blend this out, making sure everywhere is seamlessly blend. And yeah, so today for this video I didn't place the concealer on my forehead. Usually, you guys know, since I started doing makeup, I've always put concealer on my forehead, but I feel like this is the UK black girl kind of makeup look, so I was like, you know what, let me just leave the forehead out for today. And I am so excited to use the Made by Metro Curve Case palette, guys. It's been so long I wanted to get this palette, but it was always sold out. And this palette, it's not cheap, it's really expensive, so I really wanted it to always go on sale before getting it, but it was always sold out. So for my cream bronzer, I'm going ahead with these two shades, Blend and Snatch and Chocolate Charm. Guys, this palette is so creamy and it's so easy to blend, and it's also pigmented and it's buildable. Look at how seamless this blend is. I really love this palette. So this is the deep palette. As you guys can see, the shades are very pigmented and it's very buildable. I really love how easy it is to blend. And for my blush, I had to go with the Mango Daiquiri, and then with the where is the SPF where's the SPF shade. As you guys can see how pigmented these blushes are. Look at how cute it looks on me. So once I finish doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight my under eye. You guys know I love a bright under eye, and I'm using the Maybelline concealer, and I'm also going in still with the Made by Mitchell just to contour my nose. and I use the chocolate charm just to make sure it's not too dark and you know it's still giving a seamless blend. And then I go ahead and just, you know, blend out my light concealer under my eyes. And guys, I just wanted to say that when it comes to doing makeup, it works different for everyone. Someone can use a beauty blender, someone can use a brush at the end of the day, as long as they get the end result that they're looking for. So whichever way you do your makeup, as long as you're happy with it. So once everything is, you know, blended out properly and everything looks, you know, seamless, I'm going to go ahead and start, you know, baking or using my setting powder. This is from Huda Beauty, the banana bread baking powder, the famous setting powder, guys. So I do go ahead and use that just to, you know, set my face, and I'm just applying that everywhere I used concealer. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot to wish you guys happy new year, as this is my first proper video. I pray God bless you guys with everything that your heart desire this year. For my powder bronzer, I'm going ahead to use the LYS bronzer, and I'm just applying that everywhere I place the cream bronzer. So for some reason I did forget to do my forehead, guys. Just to let you guys know, I haven't done makeup in like a month, just because just after Christmas, guys, I was so sick and I have not done content in a while, so I feel like I have forgotten how to do certain things. But yeah, I was just all over the place, but it is what it is, okay? And then I just use my, you know, powder puff just to press in that setting powder instead of wiping it away. It's just so that I don't take off too much of the products, because I do still want that bright under eye. And then I go ahead with my True Girl blush. This is my favorite blush, guys. Like, I don't know what I will do. I'm not ready to change this blush, okay? And then I go ahead and use my Morphe setting powder, one of my favorite as well. And as you guys can see, I'm using the back of a beauty blender just to, like, you know, press everything in and try to blend everything like properly. And now I just go ahead to use a black liner just for my lower waterline. My lower waterline. And then I'm just kind of like just pressing that H&B finishing powder under my eyes again, just to keep that bright under eye. And I do go ahead and use my mascara for my lower lashes. This mascara is one of the best, guys. I am so in love with this mascara. This is all I use for now. But yeah, so now I'll just go ahead and do my lips. As you guys can see, I'm just using like a dark, you know, brown lip liner to just outline my lips first. To be honest, for this look, I just wanted to use like gloss. I didn't want to use like lipstick. So once I finish outlining my lips, I do go in with the Nourishing lip gloss. I feel like I have these in different shades just because I really love them. They are from MUA Academy. And then I just go in with my Vesta London Beauty. This is one of my favorite lip gloss as well. So I just went ahead and mixed those two gloss together. And guys, I'm loving it, because usually I like to apply lipstick first before gloss. But yeah, so I did go ahead and, you know, outline my lips once again. And then I go in with my clear gloss from Beauty Bay, and I just, you know, apply that everywhere on my lips, just because your girl can't do without gloss. I just don't know. I don't know what gloss has done to us, but it is what it is, okay? And then I just go ahead and set my face one more time. As you guys can see, this is the finished look, guys. The funny thing is I forgot to place highlighter on my face. I just don't know what happened. I clocked when I took off my makeup that I didn't apply highlighter, and you guys know how much I love a highlighter, but this look is still giving regardless. Let me know what you guys think. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon.